Hi, I'm Nicola Sayles and I'm the Academic Support Librarian for Law at the University of Salford.
This video is about how to reference a print journal that you may have found in the library or an article that you may have downloaded off a library database such as Westlaw, Lexis Library or Hein Online using the OSCOLA referencing system. There's a few key pieces of information that you need to make your reference. The first thing you need is the name of the journal itself that the article has come from, so in this case the Cambridge Law Journal. The year that the volume was published in, any volume information or any issue and part information. The final pieces of information that you need are from the article itself, so the article title, who wrote it, and the page number that it begins on, in this case page 361. If you're looking on Westlaw, the information is all still there, however it's going to be in slightly different places. It tells you on the Westlaw screen the journal that it's come from, the year, the article title, who wrote it. But when it comes to page numbers, if you look at the start of your article, you'll see in purple an abbreviation for the journal title, CLJ in this case, for the Cambridge Law Journal, and the page number that it would start on if you were reading the hard copy equivalent, so 361. For any volume number information or issue or part number information, you need to go right down to the bottom of the article on Westlaw and it will give you the information at the bottom there. If you take a direct quote and you're reading the hard copy from the library, just make a note of the page number that you've taken your quote from. If you're looking on Westlaw, where you've taken your quote from, for example this quote in yellow here, if you look up for the first preceding page pagination information, you'll see purple numbers and letters and abbreviations throughout the document. So here it tells us that anything after this number, CLJ 386, would be on page 386 if you were reading the hard copy equivalent.
Once you've found all the information that you need for your reference, it's just a case of putting it together in the right order. So it's author first, followed by the title of the article that you want to reference. Next would come the year that the article was published, followed by any volume number information and any issue or part number. You would then need to put down the title of the journal that your article has come from. In this case it was the Cambridge Law Journal. You can write the Cambridge Law Journal in full, however you can also write CLJ or any abbreviation for the article for the journal that it has come from. If you use CLJ or if you use Cambridge Law Journal, it doesn't matter, but the only thing is just be consistent throughout all your footnotes. The final piece of information you need is the number that the page starts with the article. If you've made a direct quote, you would need to follow it with the pinpoint of where you directly quoted from. OSCOLA is a great referencing system because it doesn't rely on a lot of punctuation. The only bits you need are a comma after the author, and if you're pinpointing an article quote, just put a comma in between the page it starts on and where you got the direct quote from. For the publication information, your year needs to be in brackets and any issue or part number needs to be in round brackets as well.